Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to activate your vanilla gift card. Okay, so first of all you need to keep something in your mind. If you have any physical card, then verification is required, and if you have any kind of e-card or any kind of you can say like digital e-cards, then these cards are generally ready for use immediately. Okay, and once you purchase card, please tell the you can like teller like you want ready to use card. Okay, so if you have any physical card, in this case what you have to do, you need to visit on any browser and you need to type like vanilla gift card activation number. Okay, you will see phone number on the official website link, and you can dial their phone number, and you can activate your card very easily by dialing their phone number. Okay, so these are the two methods by which you can activate your vanilla gift card. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.